Lost in the wild? Don't panic. Do these 5 things and buy yourself time. 1. Stop and assess. Sit, breathe, check injuries, orient to sun and landmarks. Panicking wastes energy. 1. Shelter first. Build a lean-to from branches and leaves. Insulate with dry brush. 1. Make water safe. Collect clear running water. Filter through cloth. Boil or use purification tablets. Dehydration kills faster than cold. 1. Fire skills. Build a tinder bundle. Add small kindling, then larger sticks. Shield the fire from wind. Fire purifies, signals and warms. 1. Signal and stay put. Use 3 fires or 3 blasts on a whistle. Use bright clothing. Use mirror flashes. Rescuers look for patterns.